In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Turbotax to file your tax return for the year 2025. Filing taxes can often seem overwhelming, but with Turbotax's user-friendly interface, it becomes much simpler and more accessible, even for those new to the process. So, let's get started and walk you through the essentials step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Turbotax website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Turbotax URL. Once you're there, you'll notice a host of options and features designed to make your tax filing as seamless as possible. Start by clicking on the Sign In button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials or create a new account if you haven't done so already. It's always a good idea to have your login details ready and double check them to ensure there are no errors during sign in. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to the Turbotax homepage. Here you'll see various options related to different tax needs. For our purpose, focus on the section where you can start or continue your tax return. Click on the Review/Edit button. This section is crucial because it allows you to view an overview of your current tax return progress, making sure everything is in order before proceeding. Next, proceed to click on the Personal Profile section. This is where you provide essential personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Make sure to fill in every detail accurately, as incorrect information can delay your filing or cause errors in your return. If you're returning to finish a previously started tax return, ensure that all previously entered information is still accurate and up to date. Now it's time to enter your personal information. Turbotax makes this easier by guiding you through each page while providing helpful hints and checking for any missing information. Go ahead and fill out all necessary fields, ensuring that each piece of information is correct. With Turbotax's intuitive system, any errors or incompletions will be highlighted, making it easy for you to make corrections on the spot. Once that's done, you'll need to report your income, gather all necessary tax documents such as W-2s or 1099s, and input them into the system. Turbotax guides you through this process, allowing you to add your income step by step, ensuring everything adds up correctly. This step is vital for accurately calculating your taxes owed or your potential refund. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough on using Turbotax to file your tax return in 2025. Remember to review each section thoroughly, double checking for accuracy and completeness before finally submitting your return. With Turbotax, precision is just as important as ease, helping ensure you have a smooth and efficient filing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your tax season a more straightforward and less stressful affair.